welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. I'm back a couple weeks early from my break just to bring you this little 10-minute video, and then I'll be back again the first week of August. But I wanted to slip in here and give you this really cute spider video, and I think that you'll really enjoy it, and I'll be right back to tell you what we're going to need to make it. So what we're going to need today is some polyester fiberfill, not very much, and we're going to need a 30-inch spider that I got on Amazon in a package of 5 different size spiders. But I bought the package because I was after a 30-inch spider. That's what this is. When I unfold it, you'll see. And we're going to use a half a black pipe cleaner, child's size 4 to 6 anklet, black anklet, a gray beard that's 3 inches by 3 inches, a black pom-pom, small like 1-inch pom-pom, and then a black, kind of like a chalk, this one's called pavement paint on this. This is a 4/5 size nose, 4/5. And I got that on Amazon, wood nose. And then you want to get some Halloween webbing that I have here in front of him. And then you need 4 glitter tinsel cleaners, pipe cleaners. The glitter ones, I got these at Dollar Tree. And that's what we're going to be using to make him today. And I'll be right back to get started. So the first thing you want to do is take out your 30-inch spider and leave them all together like that, because it'll be easier for you to work on them for the moment. And you want to take, there's his eyes there. You want to take our wooden nose that I have all painted in the black and glue that right underneath the eyes. While that's setting up, we're going to get the little anklet out. And this is a size 4/6 kids black anklet. We'll put our polyester fiberfill in there. A little bit more, I think. And just push that up into the sock, and then push up the end of the sock up in there until you're making like a little mushroom. This is the hat. And then what we want to do is we're going to glue the hat right onto the top of the nose that we just put on there. Make sure the seam of the sock is to the front. There's the seam there. Like that. And then we'll just glue that right in place here. Now I'm going to let that set up, and I'll be right back. So the next thing we want to do is go ahead and glue down the sides. Like that. I need to hold those down for a minute or two. And then we'll go ahead and drop some glue on the back. And we'll let it all set up. So I've got his head all glued on, and the next thing we want to do is put the beard on. So we're going to take the 3 by 3 inch gray beard and cut about an inch slit in it, right down the middle. And then we're going to put it up around the nose like that. I want to glue it right in place, right under the hat. So I'm going to attempt to do this from back here. You just want to put it in right there. Like that. This side needs to come up a little bit higher. If you can see the eyes at all still, this is your chance to make sure that the eyes are covered up. Like that. I'm holding that because it's gluing right there. Then we have the beard. Now you notice on the one I have finished over here, the nose is shiny, and is what does that is when we spray the beard with the hairspray, it makes the nose shiny, the hairspray itself, so saves you a step there. Then you want to take the little pom-pom and put it right in the middle of the hat. More glue. And then we're going to make the fangs. So you want to take your half piece of pipe cleaner, the black pipe cleaner, and then we'll cut it in half. And then fold it like that. And then you just want to put some glue on the end. And stick it right in here for the fangs. I'll let those set up. Be right back. The next thing that we're going to do, now that we have the fangs on there, is to spray it with the hairspray. We want to spray the beard so we can give it some shape with some firm holding hairspray. And at the same time, it sprays the nose and gives it the shiny that we want. So now I'm going to let that dry and then we'll finish them up. Now the next thing we want to do, I've got that dry. You can see the shine on the nose now. The next thing we want to do is to put on the glitter pipe cleaners. And what you do is you put the first one right at the bottom there coming across the nose, bottom between the nose and the hat. And then when you get it to the back, you just want to twist it together. Like that. And then we'll take another one and we'll go up maybe 3/4 of an inch, and then tie that one in the back the same way. And then we'll fit another one in there. Let me see if I've got them straight there. And then the last one on the top. Like that. And then you want to take them back off. Like that. This bottom one I'm going to leave right on there because it fits pretty snug. And I just want to go ahead and clip it off right here in the back. Like that. And we'll glue right in there when we're almost finished. So we take the next size that we already pre-fitted. Like that. And put that on. Like that. And then we'll do the next one. And then we can go ahead and glue these first three. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right on the back there. And this top one needs to be glued all the way around. So what we'll do is hold them like this and just put the glue all the way around lightly. I'm going to try to do this. Like that. We'll let that set up for a minute and then we'll open them up. Now it comes to the part where we open them up, this 30-inch spider. We just want to start taking the legs out. And you kind of gotta play with it a little bit to get it just how you want it. There we go. Now you can take a piece of webbing, the spider web, and put that on your little display. And there you have your spider. It didn't take very long and it's pretty easy to do. And I appreciate you coming and watching this with me today. And hope you have fun making these. And I'll be back to see you the first week of August. If you like this video, make sure to like.